How a computer works. A computer takes data from the user, processes it according to the instructions, and then gives back the result to the user. This means that a computer follows 3 stages: IPO, input, process, output. For example, if we want to add 5, 4, and 2, the following stages will take place: feeding the numbers and the instruction to add 5, 4, 2, plus input, addition of the numbers by the computer, 5 plus 4 plus 2, process, display of the result by the computer, 11, output, input, the values, facts, and instructions given by us is called the input. Process, the calculations and comparisons done by CPU is called the processing. Output, the result given by the computer after processing, is called the output. A computer follows 3 stages using its hardware and software parts. Hardware, all the physical parts of a computer which can be seen or touched, are called hardware. The hardware parts are further classified into input devices, processing device, output devices, and storage devices. Input devices, the parts of computer we use to feed data and instructions to it, are called input devices. Some of the input devices are keyboard. A keyboard is used to feed data and instructions by pressing its keys. It has many types of keys, each having a different role. Nowadays, wireless keyboards are also popular. Mouse. A mouse is used to feed data and instructions by clicking its buttons. Nowadays, optical and laser mouse are the most popular. A mouse may be fixed to the CPU box or may be wireless. Light pen. A light pen looks like a real pen. It is used to input by selecting objects and drawing directly on the screen, just as we draw a picture with a normal pen on paper. Joystick. A joystick has a lever that moves in all directions and controls the movement of the pointer on the screen. It has buttons called triggers that are used to click and double-click. It is mostly used while playing games. Gamepad. A gamepad is used while playing games. It is held in 2 hands and thumbs are used to provide input. Touchscreen. A touchscreen is a screen used to feed data and instructions to a computer by touching on its screen. We use our finger to point directly to objects on the screen and select them. Touchscreens are used not only in computer monitors, but mobile phones and ATMs also have touchscreen. Touchpad. This has a special surface which can sense the movement of finger. It is used to move the pointer by moving the fingers on the pad. This is mainly found in laptop computers. Scanner. A scanner is used to input directly from a page. It reads text or pictures from the page and displays them on the monitor. There are many types of scanners. The most commonly used are flatbed scanners and handheld scanners. Microphone. A microphone is used to record voice or music into a computer. Digital camera. A digital camera stores captured photos in a removable memory card, which is fixed inside the camera. The images in the card can be transferred as input to the computer. Webcam. A webcam captures photos and stores them directly on the computer. It is connected to a computer, so there is no memory card required. Some laptops have a webcam fixed inside them. Processing device. The CPU, Central Processing Unit, is the processing device. It is fixed inside the CPU box. It processes and stores the data and instructions given by us. It controls all input devices and output devices. The CPU has mainly three parts: Arithmetic and Logical Unit, ALU, Control Unit, CU, Memory Unit, MU. Arithmetic and Logical Unit. This unit performs all the mathematical and logical operations. Control Unit. This unit helps to coordinate the working of various parts of computer. Memory Unit. This unit stores the data and the instructions to be processed. Output devices. The parts of a computer that give the information result after processing are called output devices. Some of the output devices are monitor. A monitor displays the output, texts, pictures, or videos on it. The output we get on the monitor is also called soft copy. It is the most common output device. It is also known as VDU, Visual Display Unit. There are two types of monitors: CRT, Cathode Ray Tube, and LCD, Liquid Crystal Display. CRT monitors are bigger in size, whereas LCD monitors are flat and thus take less space. Printer. A printer gives the output, text and pictures, on paper. The printed copy is called hard copy. The three main types of printers are: dot matrix printers, print only in black, make a lot of noise while printing, can print only a few pages in a minute. Inkjet printers, print in color also, make less noise while printing, can print many pages in a minute. Laser printers, print in color also, make very less noise while printing, can print up to 100 pages in a minute, are best in quality. Speakers and headphones. Speakers and headphones are used to listen to music and songs as output from the computer. Speakers give out loud sound, while headphones are used by an individual without letting others get disturbed with the sound. Plotter. A plotter also gives the output on paper. These are generally used to generate high-quality, large printouts of construction maps, engineering drawings, and big posters. There are three types of plotters: drum plotter, flatbed plotter, and inkjet plotter. Storage devices. The parts of computer we use to store work are called storage devices. They are also called memory devices. There are two types of memory devices. Primary memory devices. Primary memory is the main memory of the computer. It is present inside the CPU box. CPU can directly read from and write to this memory. The primary memory devices are RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory. It stores data temporarily while the computer is working. It is a temporary memory because the data gets erased when the computer is switched off. ROM. ROM stands for Read-Only Memory. It stores the instructions given by the manufacturer to operate the computer. It is a permanent memory. Secondary memory devices. These storage devices store data and information for a longer period of time. Some of the secondary memory devices are CD and DVD. CD stands for compact disc and DVD stands for digital versatile disc. These are portable devices that can store data and information. We can carry our stored work in them. The storage capacity of a DVD is higher than that of a CD. Pen drive. A pen drive is small in size like a thumb. We can store work and carry it in our pocket. Pen drive is also called USB drive. Its storage capacity is higher than that of a DVD. Memory card. It is a removable storage device that is usually fixed inside a mobile phone, tablet computer, or a digital camera. It comes in different storage capacities that can even be same as that of a pen drive. Hard disk. It stores all the software, data, and information. It is fixed inside the CPU box. It has the largest storage capacity. Nowadays, external hard disks are also available in the market that can be used to save data and information and carried along. Software. While drawing pictures in Paint program, we use a computer mouse to draw and see our picture on the monitor. The mouse and monitor are hardware parts, while the Paint program is a software. A computer is made up of many hardware parts. These hardware need instructions to work. A set of instructions given to a computer to make it work is called a program. One or more computer programs make a software. Need for software. Without software, a computer cannot work. It enables the user to interact with a computer and its hardware or perform tasks. Similarly, any software can be used only when it is stored inside a storage device, that is, a hardware. Hence, both hardware and software are equally important for a computer. We install and store many software inside our computer so that we can use them anytime. Types of software. There are two types of software. Application software. An application software is also called a program. This software does a specific type of work. For example, Paint program for drawing, calculator program for doing sums, Word program for typing, etc. We can install a program on our computer according to our requirement. System software. This software controls the overall working of a computer. Operating system is an example of system software. Without an operating system, we cannot even start the computer. When we purchase our computer, the operating system software is already installed in it. Windows is the most popular operating system.